Hi there, welcome back to my channel Rock and Roll Rider. Today is the last day at the Samui island. We'll be heading back to our Thailand mainland. So we have ferry at 2 o'clock from here. It's 10:30 in the morning now. We are staying in an area called 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗺𝗏𝗺𝗏𝗺. This is like a proper 2-star residency with a swimming pool and stuff. It's called the 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃𝗃 residence. Ooh, the sun burns here. We'll have to go to the pier by 2 o'clock and take our ferry back to the mainland. From there again, it will be like a long bus journey back to Pattaya in Thailand. And day after tomorrow, we'll be heading back to Bangalore. So we are done with island life. We'll be going back to the cities now. So anyways, see you on the ferry. We finished checking out from 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃𝗃 residence. We're heading towards the pier now. We'll have breakfast, exchange, give back the scooter. It's not scooter, it's scooter in Thai. And take back my passport. It's a very nice property, but there's no lift. We'll have to walk 3 floors. One more sightseeing. The return bus ticket from Pattaya to Bangkok has been cancelled. By the way, I got my passport back. Congrats. We cancelled the Pattaya tour to just be halting in Bangkok, relaxing for some time. We don't want to take so much stress because we'll have to get our RT-PCR done tomorrow. So we are really scared about that. We'll have to get it done, take our certificate and then leave back to India. And Pattaya is around 3 hours journey from Bangkok. So we're just cancelling our Pattaya plan and halting only in Bangkok. Our ferry leaves Koh Samui at 2 o'clock. Very hot place, extremely hot. But in the evenings it becomes like Bangalore. So people who want to get tanned real fast, this place is really for you. But I love the local Thai people, man. They are the sweetest. You can see people if they are fake. These guys aren't fake. They're really happy that you are here. Anyways, let's get back to the pier. Bye bye. Happy 𝗗𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃.
Hands up to you, sir. Hands up to you.
Our ferry is already here. Sea-Tran ferry. Enjoy the Gulf of Thailand. Goodbye, Koh Samui. See you soon. Ferry is finally departing. So, goodbye one last time.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ।
We are in Bangkok now. We cancelled our Pattaya plan because we had to get our RT-PCR done and a lot of other bullshit. We were short of money and stuff.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
So we are chilling here only near the Don Mueang airport. So from here we'll be just walking to the airport tomorrow. So today and tomorrow we'll just be chilling and exploring the area nearby. Anyways, let's see you outside. Lovely evening in Bangkok. The weather is so pleasant, it feels like Bangalore here. By the way, we got our RT-PCR test done and luckily both of us are negative.
Congratulations, brother.
Congrats.
I'm happy.
Happy about getting tanned.
Happy about going back and eating Indian food.
Everything is a new experience, come on.
Oh, I had it enough for almost a week. My God.
And the entrance is from here also. Anyways, we are out to explore the neighborhood. Very peaceful place. Let's see what we can buy which can be eatable. What is this? This is like Arabic food, dude. Yeah. We finally found a place where we can order some chicken biryani and fried chicken. So let's hope it's good. Damn hungry. We've been just surviving on supermarket food for like a few days now. Not really, but at least one meal a day. The food was good. The broth was also good, but there was a lot of what do you call it? Bisan bas, full bisan bas in the chicken and in the broth, but eatable compared to other food. Right? What do you say?
And we got scammed.
Yeah, we almost got scammed.
100 rupees.
For one small bowl of rice and chicken, he charged us 150 bucks. 150 baht, sorry. So, which song doesn't come in your mind? Strolling down the streets of Don Mueang Airport Road. By the way, for people who are planning to come this side to Thailand, I think better not to come for a few days because, especially for Indians, it's a bit risky. What if you test positive and you'll have to stay back here? Why would you want to take so much risk? And that after spending so much money. The decision is up to you, but a valuable suggestion from my end.
And don't overspend.
Bitch yella illa yenenanta. Bitch yella.
Don't overspend when you have money. Keep it, plan, and then spend.
Yeah, and carry a lot of cash. Don't depend on I'll go there and withdraw. Someone will send me.
Yeah.
Don't rely on all that.
At least keep Indian cash with you so that even if you don't utilize, you take it back, and if you are in need, you can get it exchanged.
Yeah.
The exchange rate is high. It varies from 3 to 4, but try to find more exchange shops, and then see where is the
Yeah.
best rate you're getting.
And quite a lot of places so that you get a better idea of which place is cheaper. And one more travel scam. These guys are openly scamming people because we're just foreigners. From the place where we got RT-PCR done to this place, the auto guy was charging us 500 baht.
That tuk-tuk. Just imagine, tuk-tuk was charging 500 baht.
Yeah, and guess how much he spent in the bus? 50 baht. So utilize public transport as much as you can. I won't advise you on the island, but at least here in the mainland, it'll be helpful. Okay, come, let's cross the road.
I'm a chapri.
Retards in Thailand as well. There are RT-PCR scams happening as well. On the island which we were there, they were asking 2,500 rupees for RT-PCR. But here in the mainland, we ended up paying 1,200 baht. But still, that's a lot when compared to Indian standards. But we need to be grateful that we got it for such a cheap rate. In normal shops, you won't be able to bargain, but generally, if you are good at bargaining, this place is for you. You can save a lot of money. But be sure about what price you want and bargain accordingly. So I'm gonna take you inside the most happening convenience store of Thailand, 7-Eleven. You can find the stores just 1 kilometer distance from each other, so there are a lot of options everywhere. From probiotics to milk products to ready-to-eat food, everything is present. Noodles, cool drinks. Some 7-Elevens have Western Union money transfer option as well. So if you are wanting to send money from to different countries, they have an option to come and collect it. And everything is at a very affordable cost compared to Thai standards, of course. They even have sunglasses, man. Also, bread products are very scarce in Thailand, but 7-Eleven has it. Look at this spiced chicken burger. They have halal options everywhere, so not a big deal for people who follow. But will you be able to eat it or no? That I can't guarantee, but it's halal.